Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp. I'm going to show you how I did some easy simple painting using some gel crayons. So first, I've already stamped this moon and sentiment on some cardstock, and I'm grabbing the Creative Devotion gel crayons by American Crafts, and these are also pretty because they are so pastely, and it's kind of like a chapstick. You just twist the end and it comes up, and you just twist it back in to get where you want it to be, and you just start painting. So I'm just grabbing some colors here to paint the moon in first. These are water soluble gel crayons, so after I paint them in, I'm going to use a water paintbrush to just blend all the colors in. Next, I'm grabbing more colors here to just paint in the background. I don't think there's any wrong colors here to go because the entire set is so pretty, so whatever colors that you mix is going to go well together. So what I noticed is when I started blending, it didn't blend like really well. I guess it's because I used like normal white cardstock, but if you have actually used watercolor cardstock, I would feel that it would blend way better than this. But I didn't mind the effects, so I guess it depends on what you like. Of course, the other better way to use these things are to actually paint them on your craft mat or your watercolor palette, and then use a water brush to paint them on to get a more fluid look. So here's how my finished card looks like. I am definitely going to be playing more with these gel crayons to show you many other ways that you can use them. And in the meantime, thanks for watching and do take care. Bye!